I miss doing things with you. I mean, nagkikita tayo pero we can't even consider this as a date. Kasi if date nga to, di ba nakaka-depress? I mean, no offense, but just by looking at everyone here, di nakaka-inspire ng love life, ng romance, ng positivity. Xavier, you don't belong here. We shouldn't be spending our time here.
Baby, please.
I'm sorry. I just hope you understand my frustrations. I just want us to spend more time together. Alam mo yun, gawin natin yung mga dati nating ginagawa.